Ever wondered how to truly maximize your rights when it comes to dealing with debt collectors? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of debt collection, and I promise you by the end of this video you'll be armed with knowledge that could potentially save you thousands. But before we dive in, we're on a road to 100,000 subscribers. If you want to support this channel, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a fire emoji in the comment section. It really helps with the algorithm and pushes this video out to more like-minded individuals like you. First and foremost, let's talk about your rights. The Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, or better known as FDCPA, is here to protect you. Debt collectors might be persistent, but remember, you have rights. They can't just harass you into paying, and they can't call you before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m. They can't threaten you with legal action without grounds, and they certainly can't lie about the amount you owe. Have you ever been threatened over the phone? Or maybe they've contacted your friends, relatives, or even your workplace. These are all potential violations of the FDCPA. And guess what? If they violate these rules, you might be entitled to compensation. That's right. The court could award you up to $1,000 per violation plus attorney fees. Some debt collectors can be downright criminals. I came across an article on paulmenken.com that talked about the CEO of a debt collection agency who was sentenced to 100 months in prison for coercing consumers into paying more than they owed. They even falsely claimed affiliations with local government and law enforcement agencies. It's shocking to think about the lengths some will go to. The Federal Trade Commission has a list of banned debt collectors. Now, these aren't just names on a list. Each of these cases include lawsuits that resulted in the ban. You can find press releases, links to the legal complaints, and even see the federal court order that permanently prohibits the person or company for participating in a debt collection business. If any of these collectors have contacted you in the past, or if their names appear on your credit report, I would highly recommend consulting a lawyer immediately. You could potentially be rewarded money and even get those collections deleted from your credit report. Always remember to validate your debts. If a collector contacts you, send them a cease and desist letter. This puts them on notice. If they persist, you can follow up with a debt validation letter. And if you're unsure about the statutes limitations on your debt, you will need to contact a lawyer or simply do a Google research and check out the debt collector statute limitation in your state. Dealing with debt collectors can be very stressful, but knowledge is power. By understanding your rights and being proactive, you can turn the tables around. And if you feel overwhelmed, remember there are resources out there like stopcollections.org that can actually help. Alright, credit cousins, that's the wrap for today. We've dived deep into the world of debt collections. I hope you found this information very valuable. Remember, knowledge is power, and you have the right to defend yourself against unfair practices. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting a fire emoji, as this will help us reach our goal to 100,000 subscribers and ensure that more people get access to this crucial information. Until next time, stay informed and take control of your financial destiny today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.